What's up, Tupac fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm your boy B, and I'm back with another lit video today. As y'all see by the title, we got some Bottegas on the channel. And y'all see the color, y'all know the season, it's fall, it's Halloween month, perfect timing. Let's get into this video. Alright y'all, let me know how y'all like the videos of me standing up. I feel like when I'm up, the energy is up. I feel like when I'm sitting down, I gotta be more, I feel more serious. You feel me? But I'm up. So let's see how this review go. Alright y'all. First things first, let's get into this box. This is the box. This is how it came in its triangle. Alright. Now, like I say, this is my first pair. This is my first piece by Bottega Veneta. I don't have nothing by them. And when we take it out, this is what we're greeted with. And, also guys, when you order your glasses online, it comes with this baggie here. As you see, it just tells you Bottega Veneta, orange. This is just a little baggie. And then it comes with a certificate of authentication. It's a paperwork in the inside. You should get this when you order them online. There's nothing here. And then here is a certificate. Come in here. That's a little card to let you know that these are authentic. Alright. And then just little instructions. That's really nothing. But that's all this is. Alright guys, so this is the box. It's green, nice green box. As you can see, got the name on it, says Bottega Veneta. This is how it opens. Inside is green as well. It is felt lining, feels great. As you see, this is how the glasses come in here. Okay, cool. Inside, all felt lining, feels good like I say. And that's it for this box. Nice magnetic, closes you here. Attention to details is nice. I mean, it better be for the price we're paying. These are almost $800. Over here, we have cleaning cloth. Like the fact that it's green to match it. They brand color is green. Say Bottega Veneta. One side, other side, nothing. But getting into the start of the show, we go plastic on the arms. Take the plastic off. Alright, now the plastic is off. As y'all know, it is fall. It's Halloween month. It's October. Let's just do a quick overview before we get into a detailed review. I like them. I think they're perfect for what I got them for. I wanted a pair of sunglasses I could wear for fall and the month of Halloween, and this orange was just nice. So now let's get up into it. On the arm, we have the logo right here. And as you know, if you know Bottega, that's the only logo they have. There's no other logos on the glasses, which I like, so it's kind of like quiet money. Because like I said, these do retail for almost $800. I did not pay that, I got them on sale. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got them from. And this is this side of the arm. Nice, and if you look at them, they like just rubberized glasses. The lenses are orange as well. You got this like almost like oval. Honestly, when I seen them online, I thought they was gonna be bigger, almost like goggle glasses, but they wasn't. On this side, it got the logo as well. This is their logo, and that's the only logo on both sides. It does not say Bottega. So if you do not know this logo, you're not gonna know what these are. You might just think these are regular, although they do look profound. So you might think they something. In the inside back here, we have, right here it says Bottega Veneta. Made in Italy. On this side right here, you see the serial numbers. Inside, that's it. Orange inside and out, rubberized orange like I said. Now let's try them on. Moment of truth. to see if we like them. Let's see. Okay, so these gotta go. My braids in the way. Hold on. Make sure my ears. Okay, so these are how these look. Alright, you see the logo here. Going back this side. I like them, man. What y'all think about them? Guess I'm about to style these up and I'm gonna show y'all how I style them. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Definitely got the video on this coming up. These are definitely hard. I'm rocking with it. I like how when you own it, kind of like they got red lenses, but they're really orange. But on my face, it kind of look red. All right, so that's it for the try on. I think they heat. Personally, though, I think they worth $800. No, that's why I didn't pay $800 for them. But these are some nice quality glasses. They're different. They're not your regular pair of sunglasses. You know, like a fun pair, something like that. Just bring out occasionally what they're gonna do, what they need to do. Shout out to everybody who rock with me. Appreciate y'all. I see y'all. Shout out to all the new subscribers. We going up. Shout out the channel. If you like this video, shout out to a friend or two. Let them know Halloween coming up. I'm finna get y'all right. Make sure y'all got the pieces in which y'all need or probably want. Make sure y'all taking care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I'm gonna get y'all next video.